Warren Buffett famously said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." Think about it. There are 24 hours in a day. If you only get paid when you work, your income is capped. You can't work 24 hours. Most Americans rely on a single paycheck. If they get fired tomorrow, they are zero. Today, I'm showing you 7 passive income streams that real millionaires use. Let's build your freedom. Number 1. High-yield savings accounts. Stop leaving your money in a traditional bank earning 0.01%. Inflation is eating it alive. Switch to an online high-yield savings account. Banks like SoFi or Marcus pay up to 5% AQY right now. If you have $10,000 sitting there, that's $500 of free money a year just for switching banks. It is risk-free. Number 2. Dividend stocks. This is the holy grail. You become a part owner of massive companies like Coca-Cola. Every quarter, they send a check to your account just for owning the stock. You don't have to sell to make money. Imagine your phone bill being paid entirely by your Apple dividends. That's financial peace. Number 3. Real estate investment trusts or REITs. Everyone wants real estate, but nobody wants to fix a leaking toilet at 3 a.m. With REITs, you can invest as little as $100 into huge commercial projects like shopping malls or hospitals. You become a landlord without the headache, collecting your share of the rent automatically. Number 4. Selling digital products. This has the highest profit margin in the world, 100%. Create a guide, a planner, or a template once. Upload it to the internet and sell it infinite times. There is no shipping, no inventory, and no warehouse. You sleep and the internet sells for you. Number 5. Print on demand. Let's say you have a clever idea for a t-shirt. Instead of buying inventory, upload the design. When a customer orders, the company prints, packs, and ships it. You don't touch the product. You just collect the royalty check. It is zero-risk entrepreneurship. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. This is simply recommending products you already love. When someone clicks your link and buys, you get a commission. Amazon Associates is the easiest place to start. Bloggers and YouTubers make millions doing this. You don't need a product, you just need an audience. Number 7. YouTube automation. Yes, exactly what you are watching right now. This is digital real estate. You create a video once. It lives on the internet forever. Videos I posted years ago are still generating money today. You don't even need to show your face. You can hire scripts and editors. It is an asset that grows over time. Listen, you don't need to start all 7. Just pick one. Don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. Which one will you choose? Tell me in the comments below. Subscribe to start your journey to financial freedom.